My name is Marc Montini, and my company is the Montini & Company Tax Advisory Group. In this short video series, I have asked my retirement clients, my financial planning clients, what their biggest fears were before they retired and what their biggest fears were after they retired. I hope their experiences can help you with your retirement journey. My next questions come from Jimmy and Michelle. Now, Jimmy and Michelle have been with us now almost 5 years, and what's exciting is Jimmy's getting ready to retire here first of the year. So they're just getting into their retirement. Here are their questions. When I retire, I will be receiving payments from various accounts. What do I have to do to generate the payments? I'm just going to address these one at a time. To generate the payments, first off, we just have to have a conversation. We have an income plan that that's been ready to implement with Jimmy and Michelle since they've been with me from day one. The very first thing that I do when I meet somebody is I put together an income plan. And I do that for two reasons. Number one, the income plan for the client is important so that he can see where their money is coming from. They know that that income is sustainable and that it is being taken in the most tax efficient manner possible. So I use the income plan to help alleviate my clients' fears as they approach retirement. But it's also really important for me because when I can look at the income plan tells me how we should be invested. I always want to make sure we're invested with a purpose, and that income plan will give me that guidance as to how we should be invested. Do we need growth? Do we need income? Do we just need safety? And do we need a combination of these things? So the income plan is of vital importance. And so in answering this question, how do we generate the payments? We're just going to put the plan in place and start that income being paid out. Are the payments weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly? They can be anything that you want them to be, okay? Generally speaking, we're going to look at when their Social Security payments are coming out, and then our supplemental income will come at a time that works best. Sometimes people get their Social Security at the first of the month, and maybe they want more income at the middle of the month. We can adjust and change the payments anytime we want, and it's never set in stone. If circumstances change, we can change with it. Can the payments be direct deposited into our checking account? Absolutely. Direct deposit is the way we go for everything. Is there a way to view the transactions / withdrawals from the accounts these payments are coming from? Yes. The brokerage websites all give access to statements, and they can all show what payments have come out. I utilize an additional reporting software, and the reason I do that is that what I found is that for me and for a lot of my clients, the brokerage websites can be a little bit complex. They don't always give us the most simplified information we're looking for. What dollars went in? What dollars have I made? What percentage is that over what period of time? So I utilize an additional reporting software that gives us that more simplified information. And what I love about that the most is that reporting software will generate an email every Sunday morning around 10 a.m. that shows exactly what happened for the week. So it's a great way for me to stay in constant communication with my clients. Is there a website or other method we can use to view all our accounts? As I said, yes, all the brokerage websites do it, but for the most part, most of my clients only go to this additional reporting software that I use because it does give them that more informative information that they're looking for. How are the income taxes taken from the payments we will receive? Well, that's part of the reason why we do the income plan is that the income plan has a corresponding tax modeling system to it. This is something that I created in conjunction with my in-house CPAs. And so we can plan for taxes. We can know pretty close what that tax liability is going to be. And so when the income is coming out, we can have the taxes withheld if necessary. Now, for a lot of people, we may be able to get them into a tax-free retirement by understanding the taxation of their Social Security, utilizing the standard deduction of $25,000. but all this is built into my income plan. So so we will know what the tax liability is going to be and plan accordingly. Thank you.